Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to introduce to you this 2019 Aston Martin V8 Vantage. Here it is. Let's have a bit of a tour around the car. It's finished in a colour called Divine Red, and just as the sun comes out, perhaps you can see how this beautiful colour just changes in the light. So it can appear very dark in the shade, and then the sun hits it and the red element just pops out. It's a beautiful colour combination. So this is a car that we supplied from you, and it's done just under 3,000 miles. So as you can imagine, with that mileage, the condition is excellent. So it's a private owner as opposed to a company car or a demonstrator vehicle. So there's an initial look. Let's take a look at some of the details. So first of all, it's got the black body pack. So you can see the front splitter here is finished in black, and that's been carefully matched then to mirror caps that are in black, and then finally a black roof panel. And of course I should also mention the black window surround. So you've got this consistent dark look to the trimmings, and then these wheels are shadow bronze wheels, which just set off this Divine Red metallic brilliantly. Let's just go around to the back of the car. So again, consistent with the theme, there is a black rear diffuser and black exhaust, and this is fitted with the quad sports exhaust system, which just sounds superb. Popping the boot. Really good boot in the Vantage. You can see that there. There's plenty of load room, and again, this all feels like new. I can pop this divider down, and that gives a bit more space, and again you can load soft bags or jackets behind the front seats as well. So all in, you can get a tremendous amount in a Vantage for a long trip or just a great shopping trip. Moving through to the interior. So this car will be supplied with the remainder of the 3-year Aston Martin warranty, and it also has a 5-year service plan. That's 5 years from data registration, so nothing to worry about in terms of servicing. Lovely black leather interior, again keeping the theme consistent. We've got this gloss black finish to the trim, which matches what we've seen outside, and also dark trim jewellery around the cabin as well, so it feels really sporty when combined with the black Alcantara roofline. Seat wise, we've got silver stitch, and then the Aston Martin wings on the headrests and between the seats. So that's really nice. All of these silver stitch trims highlight the lines of the cabin beautifully. Spec-wise, electric seats on both sides with memories, and they are heated. So it's got the glass switches, the touchpad control in the centre there, and naturally with the navigation system you have wireless music streaming and DAB stereo. The seats are extremely comfortable, so they're electric. The steering wheel is electric as well, so it's really easy to get a comfortable position, and on long drives you've got cruise control there as well to look after you. So there we go, great spec car, and again, condition wise, it's like new. It's really been looked after. So that concludes our tour of this Divine Red Vantage. Now this car is available to reserve on our website. It is also a car that you can give us a call about to discuss. We can arrange contactless delivery for you as well.